dey illegal if you carry your motor put for road when you no get enough insurance. Everybody wey get motor must to get third-party insurance. If you get accident for road, third-party insurance na wetin go cover person wey you jam. Dis message na from the National Insurance Commission, Naicom, for better insurance industry for we Nigeria.
Alright, so my people, I dey throw away plenty salutation this morning. Na service every Wednesday morning. Once I go down knack attention on top 9:45, time don reach for the program Wetin Insurance dey do sef. The correct program wey dey give you correct informate how you fit use insurance take arrange every of your parole wey dey reach your Wednesday morning on top Naija FM 102.7, the original Naija station. Courtesy, as Oyibo people go talk am, of the National Insurance Commission, Naicom. Na dem dey give us swag, na dem dey give us muscle on top the program Wetin Insurance dey do sef. My name na Faith, aka Madam Insurance, aka Oluwa Feto, looking hot since 1805. Leave it, is it your hotness? Una service anytime wey we don show inside studio with full squad and full swag, na to go bring correct people wey sabi talk this insurance matter, like say dem dey chop ise nkwobi. Okay, today I get ogbonge guest, but she's still on the road and dancing kokoma in the traffic of Lagos. This my guest, she's you know, say some people go say, are you a foreigner? She's a foreigner and small. So now she don't come up for Naija, they go in go out. Now she's seeing the Nigeria traffic, especially Lagos traffic, the way it used to do us. Because that time when she know the day, when would they tell her, I go say, really you mean you spend that long time in traffic? Now she's experiencing that really traffic. Okay, she dey come when she show inside studio. We go talk every way I need to talk. As they talk, parable say no go cut person hair for him back. So we go wait for am, but make I just let the small cat out of the bag. My guest today inside studio na the immediate past Secretary General of the African Insurance Organization, AIO, Madam Prisca Soares. She dey road dey come, and once she come, we go come put her own sense. You know, say that woman, she's not a year woman. E don go all over the world on top this insurance matter, Africa, all over the world. So she said we want to touchlight the topic of why e be say people no dey like insurance. All the people for all the Africa, Nigeria sef, with all our plenty population, people no dey do insurance. Na the reason, and every na we go touchlight. When she don come inside studio, enter studio, drink small water, balance from the traffic wahala, we go come start. But for those of now we don't join us, kokoroko on top as we start 9:45, we don't say this morning we want to touchlight reason why many people they know they buy insurance, they no even know wetin the insurance be for some places. So where they know, they go tell you say this do that one do this one. And the reason we want to touchlight the topic, why insurance, so people know they buy insurance for Africa despite all the plenty population where we get, all the plenty things where they happen to us. Insurance still dey dey summer for this Africa. You know, so on top the show they always talk say for obodo oyinbo dem, oyinbo people, after Baba God, the next thing wey they believe na insurance. But for it can't be like say for black us black man, black us for Africa here, na the other way that you go call the year say if you tell person you don insure this thing, God is my insurance. Is the God only for you? God is my insurance. Now something go come happen, that same person now their market go come burn. They go come now leave God is my insurance, come go meet government. Egbawa, help us please, ọjà wa ti burn, help us, ẹjọ ẹ dákun. That I don't come forget. But when the thing never happen, you go meet them say, God is my insurance, God is my insurance. Oyibo people sef, they know God, they follow God, but everything wey dem get, they always use insurance take sandpaper am. But for our side here, we black people, you know, sometimes I dey always use that we black people, because if you check and balance am, even South Africa here wey dem no still far, Kenya wey dem sef no still far, those wey know about insurance there, e still plenty pass us. Dem still believe insurance. Egypt, all those other, all this country now sef, dem dey for this Africa like us, Nigeria. Even say our own population we many pass this country wey I dey mention so, but when you still check the way their people dey take use insurance arrange theirself, e still, they are still better pass us. South Africa better pass us. Who here go say aba I no get money, I never chop. Na only you dey chop. Did you come to this earth to just chop? And when something don happen now, the food man sef, wey dey take business, wey dey take bring the money to do the food, something come happen to na dem go first say insure. You go say abeg na this my small business and me wey I never chop, na im say make us do insurance. You no do. When something don happen, God forbid, God is my insurance, that small business wey you are from there you take dey chop, na something don happen to am. God dey there with you in the journey, but you don already enter one chance. So that's why we dey always say, people wey go dey say, why I wan do insurance, why I wan do insurance, God is my insurance. God dey for everybody, no be only one person God dey for, and no be only Nigeria, be Africa wey God dey for. Oyibo people wey dem dey always do insurance, God dey with them. Even sef maybe like say God dey with them pass us. Alright, I don talk before say I get ogbonge guest inside studio. Yes, aunty, I don talk for your back say all those time wey you go breeze in.
Everything you talk.
You hear me, abi? When we go dey gist you, when we cause traffic, you go say really. Now you are experiencing the Lagos traffic. Sorry. Thank you. Now I don hear your voice, my one and able auntie, big madam, very big woman. Becca, you see all those my French wey I dey speak for this studio, I dey deceive you. I no fit try am today, know why? Cause this woman wey dey inside studio now, she speak French pass French. Okay, I don introduce her before when she never come. Now she don show inside studio. I get Madam Prisca Soares inside studio, wey be the immediate past Secretary General of the African Insurance Organization, AIO. Thank you, ma, say you show inside studio this morning.
Thank you very much, Faith, for inviting me.
Okay, all right. I don dey just brush the topic wey we wan discuss this morning. If I don talk and say for here, Nigeria, Africa, although some Africa countries sef still better pass. So Nigeria, once you don tell people say insurance, the first thing go say God is my insurance. The next thing go say no worry, God go take care of him people. But at times wey something don come happen, maybe with their market don burn, something don, dem come go cry, go meet government, ẹgbà wá ẹ dákun. So but ma, you know say you don get experience well for insurance, or not be only for Africa but all over the world. Wetin you feel say na the reason why many people no believe insurance like as Oyinbo people take insurance?
The reason plenty. But one reason wey dey very important na money. Person wey no chop belle full no fit think of insurance. But insurance is very important for everybody. But when person get him salary, him go pay rent, him go chop, him go pay school fees for pikin dem. By the time we don do all that one, money wey remain no dey for insurance. So that is one of the big reasons wey people no dey fit buy insurance. But something wey dey maybe also very important be say people no sabi wetin insurance fit do for them. People no sabi wetin be the benefit of insurance. And I think say na we insurance people, we must try to let people understand wetin you dey do here very good, so that people dey hear, they know say insurance dey very important. People think say insurance dey steal their money. I no understand, because when you go market, you wan buy something, you give them money, you go get something in return. For insurance, when you pay premium, if you no get claim, end of the year you no go collect money. People dey think say these people
dem be scam.
Exactly. But the thing be say you pay that money, everybody dey pay inside one pool. Na few people go get problem wey insurance go settle, and when you get that problem, insurance go settle you. And that na the other problem wey we get, wey people no get confidence, people no trust insurance, because maybe some people don get bad experience, dem get claim, insurance company no pay the claim. So the people think say these people they just dey chop person money, so they no wan take insurance. Insurance people, we need to do something, make we change our image, make we convince people say we dey there for look after them. If claim dey, make we pay the claim. Then also people talk say like the products we have, maybe they no fit, they no suit the needs of the people. We need to develop new products wey go answer the need of the common man, the ordinary man. When we're talking say big companies, corporate bodies, them understand the need of insurance, then go take. But people like the ordinary man on the street, trader, think say abeg o, these people they not go.
That who speak English, abeg no follow.
So the problem plenty. We get also issue with distribution channels. We dey use agents, we dey use brokers, but we need find other channels also we go take reach the people, especially now at the age of technology. We fit use plenty people, nearly everybody dey use mobile phone, and we fit reach people when we use a mobile phone. So we get plenty work wey we go do, and we sef we dey compete too much. The competition dey, wetin be the word? Fierce competition. Like say, we dey run after the same business. Me I wan chop this one, wan chop that one. So if we cooperate more, if we no dey fight the way we dey do for business, if we no dey fight ourselves for business the way we dey do, I think say that one go better. Another problem wey we get be say we no get plenty skilled manpower.
That's the people wey dey do
the work, wey dey do the work. Because if we get and they go fit innovate, fit come up with new kind of product, new ways wey we dey do this, that we go fit reach plenty people. So we get work to do for insurance industry.
Okay, Ma, you talk say as you start say one of the reason wey you see say many people no dey like to take insurance na because of money. And you talk say when person take in salary, you go pay rent, you go pay pikin school fees, you go pay the one wey remain, you go use am chop. But many times when people dey talk that one, you go still find say like that person now wey give example, from that small money wey no dey, so if you go buy phone wey even wey big pass that in salary, from that small money. For Lagos now especially, you go see people every day they dey where they dey bet money, they wan win big money. No be small money dey go there, but those people, if they easily fit release that kind of money, use am do bet or use am do faji, make any, e no do them anything, they no reason as anything. But when you say okay, use this money or maybe buy insurance product for your pikin school fees, or use am do household, or use am do something of savings, na that time you go call here say insurance, insurance, I no know. Why e be say e be like? Because people from say they no get money, they see money take do. At times you go look dem say this thing wey dem dey even put the money take do say na waste.
You correct. e get some people wey dey really struggle say make to chop sef na wahala, but e get some people also, as you talk say dem go buy phone, dem go buy big phone, dem go dey bet money. But I think say if dem understand, if we for insurance teach dem say this thing go help you, because even dey pay school fees, you don use that example, now you fit insure for that one. And people no understand say okay, you dey do business, maybe you get shop, you no insure the shop, fire come burn the shop down, everything burn. Na im be say you go dey look for sister or uncle or somebody dey beg people around, or government dey beg people make dem come give you money make you fit start again, make you find another shop. You dey beg, you dey look 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, nothing dey come inside. But if the people understand say if dem get insurance, as the shop burn so, insurance go pay am money, im go fit repair the shop, im go fit buy the goods wey im dey sell. If people understand that, I think they will begin to think say this thing no be waste o. If somebody get motor and that motor maybe jam, e get accident, the motor become write up, that dem no fit panel beat anything, dem no fit do anything. If the person no get insurance, that motor don finish, e don finish, e no go buy motor again, because maybe when e buy that motor na 400,000 naira, now e go don reach nearly 1 million. Where e go find the money? But if people understand say this thing no, e go help me o if trouble dey, then the people go buy. Na im be say why I say insurance people get work for do. Make we educate people, make we dey go round, dey do program, dey go round, go to market people, explain to them say this na the thing wey insurance fit do for you. Even for the market women or market traders wey no get plenty money, micro insurance dey now. Micro insurance na small money you dey pay, e fit be 100 naira. If the insurance people, if we go out to the people outside, we explain to them, I think say if they understand small dem go begin buy. And then when they buy insurance, dem get claim and we pay the claim, dem go know say these people no be scammers o. And dem go continue to buy. More and more people go dey buy insurance. Normally, even if problem dey with the invoice, I did not hear correct well wetin you say dem wey do the invoice.
They say the date wey the mechanic put for the invoice, whether no be working day abi, so dem no be.
No, that one no. I think say maybe no be only phone, you go meet them. Then maybe you go report them also. You fit report to NIA. I think Naicom also get process wey person go do, because even if the date no correct, panel beater garage fit work for Saturday, fit work for Sunday. The important thing be say maybe no be last year dem do the date, or they put the date for next year. The date wey the accident happen, you don give them. So maybe you need to talk to them, because me, I cannot understand why, and it is a pity that that kind of thing will happen. Na the kind thing wey dey give us bad name. If problem dey with invoice, na small, very small matter. The accident happen abi e no happen, e happen. The person get insurance abi e no get, e get. Insurance dey valid. If the insurance dey valid, the cause of the accident no be something wey dey exempted. So if that na the case, then they must pay the claim. I think maybe you need to see them, go and actually see them and talk with them. If somebody is not answering the phone, it's a pity. You fit dey your house, they do this, but if they no answer, go meet them, talk to them, then you will know what to do next, whether you will take it up and report them to the authorities.
The next follow-up question was I want to ask you, for your experience, you don't go all over Africa, all over the world, and you understand how insurance fit take help people comot for even poverty. And for Nigeria now, they say we don dey near headquarter of poverty. Headquarter of poverty. But the question wey I wan ask you, e get any way wey government fit still take come to dey ensure say more people dey embrace insurance? Because the example wey we give, and e dey happen every time. When something don happen, something people no go do insurance, when something bad don happen, dem go cry go meet government. The small money wey government for take plan do another thing, dem go say okay make we no just leave dem like that, make we still sorry for dem, give dem small money wey their shop don burn inside market. But e get role wey government fit play to dey make sure say this insurance awareness be penetration, more people, more of our citizens dey embrace insurance, so that the load sef if something happen go comot from government neck.
You know say no be government work sef for dey pay when something happen. But e get other places also in the world where people no take so much insurance. One Swiss Re report for I think 2019 talk say about 70% of insurance or losses that happen no dey insured. Even for our country here, dem say perhaps na only 3%. But government don dey help us small, we insurance people. Okay. Government don make some classes of insurance dey compulsory. Now it's for insurance companies now to make sure say dem get people make dem buy the cover. True say e dey compulsory, but no be law say if you no buy am dem go take you to court, dem go lock you up. So people fit dey feel like Oga Musa wey just talk now say dem no pay am, so e no go pay. So now government don dey help small, and government fit help also through Naicom, because you know I don give example of person wey lose im car. That na waste. The money wey e don waste that money. Now insurance dey for save, prevent that kind of waste. So if people no buy insurance, if something happen, of course if it's na big disaster, government go come in, come add money. But the way government fit help also na through Naicom. Naicom fit ensure say insurance companies dey do the thing wey dem suppose do. Then dey pay claim when claim come. Then they make sure say the people, and you know the commercial wey you run during the break na for third party insurance. Yes, Naicom dey tell people say buy third party. Now the reason Naicom is saying buy third party na to protect other people, to again to say to minimize waste or reduce waste. Because if your motor go jam somebody and then you no get insurance, you no fit repair that person. But even if you no repair your own, na your own wahala. But the other person, im motor must be repaired. That is why government is saying take third party motor insurance. No be choice, na it's compulsory. But again I will go beyond that one. Say when you buy third party, now many people no understand though. Say when dem buy third party no cover their own motor. Third party cover the other person motor.
Wey dem go square.
Exactly. I fit give you an example. Just last month my motor jam somebody motor. If to say I no get insurance, that the repair the other one, na just the bumper bend small. Now it cost like 35,000. My own cost me over 500,000. If to say I no get insurance,
go there.
wetin I go do? Motor go sit there, I go dey look. So government don put certain things in place. Government no even get business sef inside every business. The important thing for government na be say put in place enabling environment, put in place a system wey go allow us make we function. And I think say government don put that system. So na for we to make sure say we get people. Somebody dey build house here, insurance must dey, is compulsory. Now say you dey construct building, you must insure. So now we go dey look out say first of all make we teach the people, make the people understand, and make we to dey look something dey come up here, dem must get insurance. We go meet them, we sell insurance to them. I think say na that way government fit help. We cannot and must not rely on government for too much, otherwise nothing go happen.
Okay, and see for your experience for other Africa country, how it be? Is it still be as I know say for Nigeria we many, our population many, but if they also do report abi analysis data of insurance penetration, you go come find say we wey even many well well for Africa
na small.
na our own na small. You go hear of South Africa, Kenya, Egypt, all those ones sef their number go dey go up. Wetin dey make those other places compared to us here? Wetin you
Make we no even put South Africa because their own na there when you take the share of Africa in insurance, South Africa dey contribute like 80%.
Wow.
Na historical dem don dey do am since, and like this funeral insurance and all wey dem don dey do for years. It's true, you go find say even Morocco dem no get people reach us, but Morocco dey above us for penetration. Morocco dey for like 2%. Kenya dem no reach us at all, dem dey for like nearly 1.5%. Nigeria, make we no talk na 0 point.
We dey 0 point.
But you see, we get the advantage of numbers. Like you said, we get plenty people. Na for insurance people to take advantage, make we try reach for other places too. Even all those countries, we get similar problem common for the African countries, but it just be say like maybe some of the people dey buy more than make we dey do. I think I can say it again. Like awareness, education is very very important. It's very important that we try. And then wetin other people dey do, like for Kenya, then they do micro insurance. Dem don dey practice micro insurance for quite some time. Some countries dey do that. And for micro insurance, na be say small traders, and you no need maybe agents dey go around. Sometimes maybe na kiosk wey somebody dey sell you biscuit and matches, and so you fit go there, you buy, you pay with your phone. Na small thing like that. And then they do micro insurance plenty. We too in Nigeria don begin. Some companies here dey do micro insurance. So na be say make we make that effort, make we try reach the people, talk to them, do wetin dem dey call am na road show, go to market, talk to people, let them understand that this na the thing wey you need to. For Kenya, one time I go there, I go visit one company wey dey do micro insurance. Then they go out, we comot go meet some people outside wey they sell micro insurance. So it's very important for us to do that kind thing. Na that way we go fit bring in people, but we must build the confidence, because some people wey don buy insurance dey say, if to say I never try one other company before, I no go try again because of wetin this company do me.
Okay, but for this micro insurance now, how you feel say people, because this issue of people don just say insurance they no go pay, and sometimes wey some like the person wey the caller now wey they don still manage do, they will come get nasty experience. The level of micro insurance, if you go small money wey those ones dey pay, something come happen na maybe their small market they no pay, that one again na another problem. So how you feel say that micro insurance, a lot of people now dey reason because the money no plenty, but how they will fit take also ensure say when something don happen to those small level people of micro insurance, all this story of the big one wey dem dey experience, e no go happen there.
Well, in many countries now, they don dey put include micro insurance inside the law, the regulation, the insurance, make sure say ordinary people dem no get cheated. So na when the supervisors don take interest like so, say okay, make we have this. Now you cannot regulate the same way you would do
big
but at least say make sure say the people are protected. So now it be say when people they do what they supposed to do, and because you see this kind of thing can take the people out of poverty. Exactly. Somebody where they sell just small thing, as maybe a fire or something happen, in lose some business, in get money back, the business they grow, Im fit begin now get big shop dey do other things. Dat person wey don dey buy micro insurance, as im business dey grow, im sef go buy more insurance, and so na so insurance go grow. So me I think say micro insurance dey very important, because the ordinary people na that one dem fit afford easily. So make we start and make we do am well. If we do am well, the people go know say true o, these people no be say dem dey chop our money, something dey. But we go explain, make we teach them well well, say no be say you pay 100 naira now maybe every month, end of the year I give you 1,000, no be so. Na if something like so happen, make dem understand say no be say you give me money I must give you change, I give you something. Explain to them, make them understand say na this kind way we dey help. I think maybe when people understand, and when insurance people dey do the thing they suppose to do, more people go buy insurance.
Alright, so my people, I see they throw away plenty salutation this morning. If you just dey join us, you have missed plenty things. The program now waiting insurance they do serve. The correct program where they give you correct information how you fit use insurance. They can arrange every of your paro where they reach on Wednesday morning on top Naija FM 102.7. This morning I dey inside studio with a very ogbonge guest, Madam Prisca Soares, where be the immediate past Secretary General of the African Insurance Organization AIO, and she don dey inside studio. Even me myself I shock. Shall be speaking English, fire pidgin English. Hey, make I no mention their name. I know say that MD now. You dey listen. You see yourself. See this woman be all over the world. Say I dey speak English, speaking English. You, fear is catching you, and you are here. All right, Auntie. Now, finally, as we dey comot from the show, wetin be your final take? At least advise our people and even insurance people sef. You hear that man now say na dem be the problem of the insurance industry, no be say people no wan buy.
Yes, we get problem. We must do plenty. I think one thing be say a lot of staff no get training. People must train the staff, make the staff not be only make them understand, make them sabi wetin be insurance, wetin dem go do, how dem go underwrite. Make them also sabi customer service. E dey very very important, because why you open shop na for customer to come, and if your customer no come, how you go take make money? So e dey very important make dem get people train wey go dey for customer service, customer relations. When problem dey, na those people go answer. Dem go know how dem fit handle the problem. Because sometimes this one that they talk, so maybe not just the person with this man they talk, the oga, nobody know say problem dey. But if people dey trained, then get training, then go sabi wetin dem must do when problem dey, or when clients get problem. So training or education dey very important for the staff, dey very important for the public. Because if public no dey aware of wetin we dey do, dem no go come. If we go meet them sef, dem no go respond. So important, very very important, say make we dey train our staff, especially the staff wey dey deal with the public. Then make we also try educate the public, make them understand the benefit wey insurance go fit give them. Then make we also, especially those ones wey no dey pay when claim come, because e be like say some of them when claim come, then they find them dey turn
dem go call say MD weak load don hold in hand, no fit sign check.
Dem go begin turn people wey dey do that, make them stop am. Because if dem stop, if public get trust, make dem get confidence in insurance, na win-win situation for we. Na all insurance companies go dey do well. Insurance go, it go help the economy grow again, because insurance is the backbone of the economy. Imagine if all these big oil, say for our oil for instance, we no get insurance. If something go happen, na be say all the wealth of Nigeria don finish. So na be say make we try, make we do the right thing, make we pay. We dey the business for pay claim. If somebody get claim, make we pay, and make sure say we explain to people when because you know people dey complain say our policy dey get small people no dey read. So e dey very very important say at the beginning try explain to them just small small say this one no must be done, or this one no dey inside the cover, make them understand from the beginning. No be say when claim come we go tell them say this one no dey cover, na wahala go start.
Na there we go back break on top the program this morning. Thank you so very much, Madam Soares, say you show inside studio. I know say early morning person wey dey retirement I go drag am comot from UGC this morning to come here. Thank you
very much.
I throw away plenty salute. All right, my people, by the special grace of God, next week we go show inside studio again, come touch light another topic on top the program, wetin insurance dey do sef. No forget to follow us on top our Instagram handle, Almond Finance, my own personal self insurance_madam. Until then, make una get better day. Una bye bye.
E dey illegal if you carry your motor put for road when you no get enough insurance. Everybody wey get motor must to get third party insurance. If you get accident for road, third party insurance na wetin go cover person wey you jam. Dis message na from the National Insurance Commission, Naicom, for better insurance industry for we Nigeria.